The Toyota Hilux diesel warning light, often appearing as a check engine or DPF indicator on the dashboard, signals potential engine or emissions problems. This warning light alerts drivers to issues within the exhaust aftertreatment system, which includes the diesel particulate filter, EGR valve, and NOx sensors. These components work together to reduce harmful emissions from the diesel engine. The light activates when the engine control unit detects anomalies, such as excessive soot buildup in the diesel particulate filter, faulty sensors like oxygen or temperature sensors, low engine oil levels, or failed components such as the EGR cooler. Common triggers for the warning light include short city drives that prevent natural regeneration of the diesel particulate filter, poor fuel quality, or worn injectors that can cause soot buildup and sensor malfunctions. To diagnose the specific issue, use an OBD2 scanner to read the diagnostic codes. For example, code P2002 indicates a problem with the diesel particulate filter. Ignoring the warning light can lead to reduced engine power, higher fuel consumption, and potential engine damage. Prompt attention to the light is essential for maintaining vehicle performance and emissions compliance. Resetting the diesel warning light requires addressing the root cause first, not just clearing the symptom. The key to successful resetting is fixing the underlying problem. Simply clearing the light without addressing the cause will only lead to it coming back on. Start by using an OBD2 scanner to diagnose the issue and read the specific error code. This tells you exactly what's wrong with the system. If the issue is DPF soot buildup, perform forced regeneration either through the scanner or by driving at highway speeds of 60 to 80 kilometers per hour for 20 to 30 minutes to allow automatic regeneration. After the problem is fixed, use the OBD2 scanner to clear the error codes from the vehicle's computer system. For severe or persistent problems, professional intervention is necessary. This may include DPF cleaning or complete replacement by a qualified technician. Be aware that aftermarket OBD2 tools can sometimes cause ECU glitches. Consider using genuine Toyota scanners to avoid voiding your warranty. Prevent future issues through proactive maintenance. Have your vehicle serviced every 10,000 kilometers and use digital diagnostic apps for ongoing monitoring. Remember, simply resetting the warning light without addressing the underlying problem will only cause it to illuminate again. Always fix the root cause first.